Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover old TikTok account without password. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your old TikTok account if you have forgotten your password. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store. Now once you open your app store or your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for TikTok. Now update your TikTok application to the latest version, so make sure you're using the latest version of your TikTok. So update your TikTok application. So if your TikTok is not updated, update your TikTok to the latest version. Now once your TikTok is updated, open your TikTok over here. Now once you open your TikTok, click on your profile, and once you click on your profile you can see your name at the top here, and where your name is you can see the drop down over here. Click on your name and you can see add account. Click on add account and you can see down here you can see already have an account, log in. So click on log in. This time around we want to log in our old account, so click on log in, and then once you click on login you can see the first option click on the first option which says use phone, email or username. Click on it, and then now enter the phone number associated with the old account. You can choose to enter email or username to get a verification code so that you can get your account. But in this case we don't want to use our user name or our password. You can also use your username, it is also same. So enter the phone number and then click on send code. A verification code will be sent to you, and you can use the verification code to recover your account. So this is very simple. Immediately you enter the verification code, your account will be recovered. Or if you have forgotten your the name of the old account, enter your number and then the verification code will be sent to you to recover your account. And also if you have forgotten the number, you can also go ahead and then enter the username. This is very simple. I have been doing this for long and I have been helping people to recover their old TikTok account. This is very simple, so just follow this process and let me know what you think. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.